In the context of DevOps, various software development and management methodologies, including SDLC models, Lean, ITIL, and Agile, play crucial roles. Let's briefly explore how each of these concepts aligns with DevOps. SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle. Models. Waterfall. While traditionally associated with a sequential and linear approach, some aspects of waterfall can be integrated into DevOps. For instance, initial planning and requirements gathering phases can provide a clear roadmap. Agile. Agile is highly compatible with DevOps. Both emphasize collaboration, flexibility, and iterative development. Agile principles, such as delivering working software frequently, align well with the continuous delivery focus of DevOps. Lean. Lean principles. Lean focuses on eliminating waste, optimizing processes, and delivering value to the customer. In DevOps, Lean principles are applied to streamline workflows, reduce inefficiencies, and enhance the overall delivery pipeline. ITIL, Information Technology Infrastructure Library. Service Management. ITIL provides a set of best practices for IT service management. DevOps complements ITIL by adding agility and automation to service delivery. The two can work together to ensure that IT services are not only well managed, but also delivered at a rapid pace. Agile. Agile Manifesto. Agile principles, as outlined in the Agile Manifesto, emphasize individuals and interactions, working solutions, and customer collaboration. DevOps embraces these values, fostering a culture of collaboration between development and operations teams to deliver high-quality software efficiently. In a DevOps environment, these methodologies and frameworks often work together, with Agile providing the development and delivery mindset, Lean contributing efficiency and waste reduction principles, and ITIL ensuring proper service management. The integration of SDLC models depends on the specific needs and preferences of the development and operations teams. It's essential to note that the success of a DevOps implementation often depends on a cultural shift, collaboration, and the willingness to adapt and learn from various methodologies to create a customized approach that suits the organization's goals and context. Why DevOps? DevOps has become a prominent and widely adopted approach in the software development and IT industry for several compelling reasons. Here are some key motivations behind the adoption of